Did you know that you can use ChatGPT to resolve problems in Excel? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to automate tasks and create formulas using this powerful tool. If you want to boost your productivity, this video is for you. Here we have a table that has the product, the value, the quantity, and I want to use ChatGPT to create a few calculations for me. One of them, it will be the total value, that will be the value multiplied by the quantity, the total values of each column, the total value of the product with the quantity higher than 90, and bring me to this new table the total values of each product. So it's very simple examples here, but it's just as for you to see the power that we have using ChatGPT as a helper in Excel. So let's go to ChatGPT. I'm using the ChatGPT 4.0. It's free currently, so it's the more modern interface. So I suggest you to use it, but it will work with any of the other models. Okay, so let's start saying what we want. I will send you an Excel table. I want that you analyze the table and understand the columns. After that, I will need to do some analysis and I will ask you for help. Say if you understand. Please go ahead and send me the Excel table. I'm gonna copy our table and paste it here and hit send. He's gonna see the structure of the table. Here, I have understood the structure of our table. It contains 3 columns: product, the name of the identifier of the product, value, the monetary value of each product, quantity, the quantity of each product. Please let me know what specific analysis would you like to perform on this data. So now I'm gonna ask him that I want to multiply the value by the quantity. I need to create a port call that will multiply the quantity for the value. What formula should I use? To create a fourth column that multiplies the quantity by the value, you can use the following formula. Add a new column and in the cell D2, enter the formula B2 multiplied by C2. This formula multiplies the value by the value in B2 by the value in C2. Copy the formula and paste it. So let's do this. Here, just gonna paste. Here it is, B2 multiplied by C2. Now I just need to drag it to the others. First, now I wanna ask him to give us how to calculate the total value of each column. Now I need to calculate the total value of each column. Now with formula should I use? And I'm gonna put a little extra here. I also want to know the explanation behind the action. So here what he brings us. To calculate the total value of each column, you can use the sum function in Excel. The sum function adds together all the numbers in a range of cells. Here how you can do it. What value column total. select the cell where you want the total value to appear, enter the formula, and this formula will add up all the values in the range B2 to B15. Then he do the same thing for the other cells, or the other column, sorry, and I ask him a little extra to give me an explanation about the function. So here it is, explanation on the sum function. The sum function in Excel is used to add up a range of numbers. The syntax is simple. Sum, number 1, number 2, and so on. And then it gives us more explanation. This is very useful because we can resolve a specific problem and not just resolve our problem, also study and understand the solution. It's not just a copy paste. We can read it and understand it so we can apply once again without the need of help. This is very useful. So let's use it the example. Sum here. Let me put here. Voila. Let me drag it to the others. And here it is, my sum of my values. Now I want the total value, the sum of the total values, where the product quantity is higher than 90. So now I need to sum in cell G3 the sum of total values where the quantity is higher than 9. What? Let me just use this. I think he will understand what I want to do. To the sum up, he let me wait him to finish. Here it is. The sum of the total value where the quantity is higher than 90. You can use the sum if function. The sum if function allows you to sum values in a range that meet a specific condition. Here's the formula you need to enter in the cell G3. Sum if C2, C15, where is higher than 90, and D2, D15. Then an explanation about the sum if. Now let's copy and paste. Here in my country, Excel uses semicolon instead of a comma to change the argument. So I just gonna change here. But I think in the US, the native change of argument is a comma. So you can use it like that. Okay, now it's working. As you can see, I just have to copy and paste. Now I want the total value for this product. So I'm gonna explain to him. I have a new table in the same sheet starting at F6 that contain the name of the product. I need to bring the total value to it. What formula should I use? And I'm gonna bring an extra here to facilitate specific for me and for the others that don't use comma as the basic change in arguments. Change the comma for semicolon in arguments. And let's go. As we expected, he told us to use the VLOOKUP. So to bring the total value to the new table that contains the name of the product, you can use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. The VLOOKUP function looks for a value in the first column of a table and returns the value in the same row for another column you specify. Here is how can you do it. And then he gives us an explanation. Then here at the bottom, he gives explanation on the VLOOKUP function so we can understand what the function do. But we already understand that, so just copy and paste. Here I just have to change to F7 because he thought that the F6 is where it started. I should have said it that the F6 is the header, but that's okay. You just needed to put a little extra input there and hit OK. And here it is. He already even freezed the range, so I could just drag the formula and doesn't need to do that manually. So pretty cool, right? As you can see, ChatGPT is a very powerful ally in our daily basis of Excel using. If you need to understand more about it, just ask me in the comments below and I can do another video with more complex codes and more complex analysis using ChatGPT. But before we go, I like to give you a very nice present. If you click in the comments below, you'll find a link to two ebooks that I created, one in Excel and one in Power BI. Both are what you need to go from the basic to the advanced in both tools. They are with a very special price for a limited time. So hurry, check it out. I know you will like it. So, what do you think of our video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I see you guys on our next video.